Primex is a multi-surface primer and top coat in one, and it can be applied directly onto multiple surfaces like these tiles that we're going to paint. But we got to choose the right roller to apply this product with. But before we even go there, we need to make sure these tiles are absolutely clean. So we're giving them a good wash with a scour and some sugar soap. Once we've washed them thoroughly, we give them a rinse with clean water to remove any soapy residue. Now that the tiles are clean and dry, we need to mask everything up. So mask everything that you don't want the paint to get onto. Once masked, then do all your cutting in. I'm using Hamilton's Enzyme brush to cut in along the masking tape where the roller won't fit in and might roll onto the surfaces that I don't want painted. So I do all my cutting in using an enzyme brush, which just gives the paint a beautiful flow on the tiles. Once all this cutting in has been done, we are then ready to roll. Now take note, the Primex is a tintable primer and top coat, so it's available in bases for us to tint this color that I'm applying on. So I've tinted the primer to a color called Fancourt Slate, and I'm applying this product using Hamilton's Perfection Valor Roller. Awesome roller for painting tiles. It gives you a superior ultra smooth finish, and it's perfect for this Primex. Okay, we apply 2 coats of the Primex, 4 to 6 hours between the coats, and it will then look beautiful. So it's so awesome, the product, because it's tintable and it's a primer and top coat in one. So it's time saving big time. Okay, so we waited 6 hours. Now we're applying our second coat. Just a very nice thin coat, and then we should get the perfect finish with Hamilton's Valor Roller. An amazing product applied with the right roller and brush. We get the perfect finish. Thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe and like.